George and the Noisy Baby. George and the Noisy Baby. Pippa and George's family are having sleepover at Cousin Chloe's house. Mommy Peg and Daddy Pig are looking forward to an early night. They had a long journey. Hello, hello, cries Cousin Chloe. Hello, shouts Auntie Pig. Hello, booms Uncle Pig. Anyone makes a lot of noise in Cousin Chloe's house. They are a very noisy family. First, we'll put baby Alexander to bed, say Auntie Pig. This is his bedroom. Auntie Pig turns up baby Alexander's music mobile. Alexander likes noise, she explained. It sent him to sleep. Pippa and George are staying in Cousin Chloe's bedroom. They are very excited. Night, night, snort Pippa. Soon everyone is stuck up in their beds, asleep. Wow, baby Alexander is awake. Everyone is awake. Uncle Pig tries vacuuming. Auntie Pig tries playing the trumpet. Noise is the best way to get baby Alexander to sleep, she says. Daddy Pig has a quiet idea to try. When George was a baby, we used to put him in his prom and wheel him around the house, he says. That always sent him to sleep. Daddy Pig pushes baby Alexander in his prom. He only has to go around the house 50 times. Good. He pops up last. Baby Alexander is asleep. Daddy Pig and baby Alexander are ready to come inside. Auntie Pig switches the alarm back on. George, cries Daddy Pig. What are you doing? Up yawn. Yeah. George, noisy. Daddy Pig takes George and baby Alexander back to the bed. He's about to turn the light off when... Wow. Oh no, gaps George. Baby Alexander is awake again. It is very noisy. Daddy Pig decide to drive baby Alexander around in the car. Don't forget to turn off the alarm, shout Auntie Pig. Daddy Pig forgets to turn off the alarm. The noisy howl wakes everyone up. Miss Rabbit zooms across in her rescue helicopter. Everyone all right down there? Yell Miss Rabbit. Yes, thank you, bellows Uncle Peg. The alarm has worked. Baby Alexander is fast asleep and it's all down to noisy daddy, giggles Pippa. The end. Thanks for watching, kids. Subscribe for more.